Wouldn't it be great if you lived just 2 minutes from this iconic San Diego surf spot and getting here was as easy as snapping your fingers? Welcome to prime North Pacific Beach in this quiet cul-de-sac, moments from Tourmaline Surf Park and Bird Rock, La Jolla. Downstairs gives you flexibility. 2 bedrooms plus an office, perfect for guests or working from home. This home is full of surprises, including over 800 square feet in the pavilion of bonus living space. With true indoor-outdoor living, this fully landscaped backyard is ready for you to relax or entertain with friends and family. So whether you want a built-in barbecue, a dining area, or even a fire pit, the options are endless. And if you can believe it, there's even a true 4-car garage with a lift, ideal for car enthusiasts, storage, or all of your beach toys. This home was designed the smart way, with all of your living spaces on the 2nd floor, including the primary suite, to enjoy your coastal surroundings and ocean views. Meals up, drinks up, this dumbwaiter makes rooftop living smart. And this is where the big views live, from downtown to Point Loma and all the way up the coast. This is coastal North PB living at its finest. I'll see you at the top.